Alright, this video I'm going to do is replacing a exhaust muffler on this Cadet RZT50. I've already replaced that deck. Might show another video on that one later of what I did for that one. But just so you know, most of these are universal. This one particular came with a bracket that was on there like this, and this guy was like 30 bucks. But the one that originally came with this RZT, this Cadet, had 4 bolts back there, and it basically just rusted through. So what I did was cut this off right there. The original muffler that it calls for was about $100 bucks. Same muffler, just different bracket. 30 bucks. It was on eBay, something like that. So you don't have to do like no real welding. Hell, you can put it on with a couple of self-tappers if you wanted. But what I'm going to do is, so you can see, I mean, the holes that are there, they'll just slide right in. Slides right into place. And this piece that I had left over, I think I'm just going to tack it on here just to give it a little more support on this brace here. I'm just going to put a couple of tack welds on that and set it like that. And that way, if I ever got to replace it, well, I'll just cut the tack welds off that I put on and put a whole nother one. But hell, the first one lasted 8 or 9 years, so I don't see having to replace it again unless this mower can really withstand that much time. But that's what I'm gonna do. I mean, you don't have to see me tack this on and weld it and try it out. I mean, it's pretty simple. Just quick little video to show you what you can do to save some money. Later.